Hi everyone. I'm afraid that I might have missed video in my this one that I just did. So I'm going to do another one just in case, because I am so afraid that I didn't video it. It said I was videoing, but alright, I've got two pieces of, I think it's 20 gauge. I don't have a label on this one. Alright, y'all. I may have missed video in this one because whenever I started to do this one, it said it was saving, so I don't know if I even got it videoed or not, but I just did that one. Yeah, and my husband had cut it. Okay, well, I'm doing another one just in case, because of how that shut off. I don't know if I've got it done or not. So this is square wire, and it's about 15 inches long. And I'm thinking it's 20 gauge. It might be 22. And I hope that it's dead soft, but I don't think it is. So we're going to make a bend in the middle. Try to get it flat. I think it's half hard, or it would have went flatter. That's about as flat as I can get it without being afraid I might break it. Alright. Now, we're going to set this in here like this. And go across it. At the tip, go down, go across at the tip of this one, and take that one up. Now, I'm going to try to put a little curl in it. And take it up here. Want that one going up. Take it up here and wrap it around that one. We'll go down and wrap it around that one. So, alright. Now, what we did was we went across and pulled it down. Went across and pulled it down and pulled the other one up. And then I made a swirl out of the ones we pulled up. So this is what we have. So I'm going to take this one up, because I'm going to need a bell. Catch that around both of them. So we took the one from down here up to make a bell. And grab this and I hope I didn't break that stone. I think it's the metal shifting. We'll bend it now a little bit. We got the curve in it. At least we got most of the curve in it. Bend it forward a little bit. Take that wire we were wrapping around with and wrap it around. Alright. Now, open that up. I want to go in between here because I'm using the same wire to wrap with, so that is a half round. We'll pull it tight. I'll have to work it around to get it where I want it, but we'll get it there eventually. Right there. Now, we've got a little short wire. Which we can twist because we've got it's square wire. So put a little twist on it and see what we can do with it. I'm going to take it across here. And get rid of it here. Now, I want to put a little curl up here, if it'll cooperate. Probably going to have to get back through that one more time. There. Maybe like that. Wow, I've got that wire already hard. Make a little swirl up there. Tighten it up a little bit. Sometimes with the half hard wire or the hard, this feels hard, so you just have to use your pliers to make it cooperate. I'm going to take it, cut it here. Get rid of it there. Alright, now pull that side up a little bit. Alright, now what are we going to do? We're going to take the long one, take it on that side, take the long one and do a curl down here. Yeah, I think that I'm going to do a twist on that too. But I'm going to hold it here so I don't twist down in my curl. And when you do that twist, it work hardens it, so cut it here. Together there. Alright. And then take this one. Do a little twist here. And bring it over here. Don't want to twist it. Yeah, I guess. Hold it there. Oh, don't want to do that. Grab the cutters by mistake. Alright, now bring it across there and up to here. And we'll hook it there. everybody. There's the other one I just finished. I hope. I hope I'm recording. But, yeah, it's different. Got a little bend in my stuff there. Well, there we go. It's a little bulky because I used square wire. So it's going to lay that flat. And to show you what I did earlier, I hope I videoed that. I have an awful feeling that I didn't. But, oh well. You win some, you lose some. That's the story of my life. Oh, y'all. I hope y'all are having a good day. And here is a piece of jade that my husband cut. And I did it in nickel silver. So, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Like and subscribe. It does help out. And if you get a chance, check out my links in the description. There's children's books. There's a VC box that we really like. And a lot of other stuff down there. And all my other channels and some t-shirts and different things. But y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. I got the VC box for my husband, and he ended up loving it. Honestly, we both did. We like it so much that I actually became an affiliate. If you already have internet, the VC box makes it easy to watch tons of live channels, movies, shows, and sports without monthly cable bills. It's simple to set up, streams in HD, and has been a great way for us to cut our TV costs. If you want to check it out, my link is below. It's my proof.